Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Orbs, which has been one of the most bullish cryptos in the last 24 hours, but it has actually been very volatile for the last week or so. So in this video, we'll talk about what happened, what's going on, why is it this bullish, and apart from that, we'll also talk about, obviously, technically, what's possible from here. Will it actually continue rallying higher towards that level around 4.5 cents, which is the next major resistance level, or has the final resistance been reached with 4 cents, and will it just start dropping down now? We'll talk about that, all right? We'll do a full analysis. The first thing to start off with, which I think is very important because it actually allows you to predict or at least to identify moves like these earlier, is the main reason why Orbs is bullish right now is 100% manipulation. All right, if we're taking a look at the price right now, first of all, the price moves like these are not normal. And then second of all, you can see that a lot of volume is coming from upbids, basically everything. And Orbs has been transacted a lot by DWF Labs, which sometimes, not always, but sometimes the cryptos that they transfer and that they hold, they rally. And what we've seen is that they've transferred a lot of Orbs in the last couple of days. Actually started a couple of days before, so before this rally, and since then it has been quite bullish. So that's 2, maybe 3 major indications of manipulation, so that is what it is. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's bullish or bearish, as most of you know. It can be both. So therefore, we'll have to take a look at some other things, including the technicals. Now, first of all, if we're taking a look at the momentum that Orbs has right now, it's actually still very high. Like you can see that the open interest has dropped down a little bit, and the volume also seems to be stalling, like it seems to stop growing, but it's still very high. Like the open interest has dropped down about, well, what is it? It has dropped down from about 10 million down to 8.2 million. So that's about a 20% increase. The numbers differ a little bit, so probably like a 17-18% decrease from the top. That is something, but it's not the end, all right? Open interest has grown a little bit since then, so I would say it still has momentum. The thing though is now it all depends on the technicals, because Orbs right now is at this major, is at this major support level right here between 3.7 and 3.5 cents. A little bit like the prices are not one-on-one, but that area. So Orbs has dropped down to that support level, and now it must hold this. And I would say that like if from this support it's able to break above 3.9 cents, that's already enough to confirm that it will continue going up. And I do think a continuation of this bullish momentum is the most likely scenario at this point of time. That could still change, but that would depend on the development of the open interest. If the open interest starts dropping down now, so it drops down another 10, another 20%, all right, then what will likely also happen with the price then is that Orbs has dropped down below 3.5 cents, or more technically 0.344, because that is the last support, has dropped down below that level, and then it's over. Like if that level is broken, it's super likely that it will just drop down towards 2.8 cents. So that's what we're waiting for. Like I said, the most likely scenario is that it will continue going up, but I am monitoring the situation regarding the open interest and the volume extensively, because what will happen next with Orbs will really depend on that. And apart from that, the funding rate, by the way, right now is also negative, which increases the incentives to go long, which is just something interesting, and what could be, it's just another part of the puzzle, right? But those are my thoughts on Orbs for now. If you want to receive access to my trades, so for example, how I'm trading Orbs, consider joining the premium group / the signal group, in which I share my own trades as signals and I'm a profitable trader. Apart from that, you also gain access to a community full of traders and my own trading guides to help you become a better trader as well. It's a great deal. If it sounds interesting, links will be down in the description. But for now, have a great weekend. Take care and bye.